Hi, this is Sive Morten with the daily update on EuroFX. I post my exclusive market overviews with the key political and economical events, charts and important levels on the ForexPeaceArmy.com forums weekly. This short video is a response to rapidly changing situation on the currency markets and should help you to stay on top of the game and be profitable. I suggest you to visit ForexPeaceArmy.com forum and read my analysis for the week before watching this daily video.
Welcome everybody, guys. Let's take a look again on the gold market. So if you remember, in the weekend we talked about the sentiment on the gold, that the commitment of traders report shows that traders start to close long positions, and it means that, well, at least in the short-term perspective, market doesn't expect the real upside breakthrough on the gold market, and small chance on the consolidation or some kind of even pullback. That's why we thought that we could consider possible deeper retracement on the gold. But before this will happen, we also talked about some extensions on the intraday charts where theoretically the reversal could happen. And here we again return back to this subject. You can see the market currently is coming to the extensions that we have specified. You will see it on the intraday charts, and here you can see that market is coming to the 1993. This is the Fib level, Fib resistance of the whole downward action, 618 level. It already has been tested here. So again, what we could consider today, well, for the short position, if you would like to take the short position on intraday charts, I would wait for some more signs of the reversal. So some better bearish context could be formed. For example, on the daily, I would prefer to see the reversal here and forming of the bearish grabber. If this would happen by the end of this session, well, that will be much better, and at least here we could consider possible taking the scalp short position, because grabber itself suggests the taking out of these lows, and in general, as appearing of the grabber here will be in favor of possible forming of the butterfly or something of that sort. So currently at this moment, chance on upward breakout still exists, just because all markets, Forex market in particular, is well tending higher and behaves really positive. So it's forming coming the new top areas. Today we're taking a look at the Great British Pound and see that it's indeed good upside pace exists on this currency. So that's why currently, as over long-term context on the gold stands bullish as well, because we think that if retracement still will happen, it will take the temporal character, and this will be just temporal relief on the long-term upward action, because we have the long-term bullish view on the gold. Well, and still, if you would like to possess yourself of this possible retracement, it would be better to get real bearish signs that indeed in the short-term perspective, in the short-term charts, we have the reversal. Currently, we do not see it yet. On the 4-hour frame chart, recall what we talked about in the weekend. Particularly speaking, we were considering this Gartner's triple to sell. Initially we said that could be minor A, B, C, D here, so maybe market will return down towards the 618 level. Or we said that at least keep an eye on the COP. So it should happen. If it will happen, it happened from these two possible moments. The first OP, minor OP of this A, B, C bottom pattern has been exceeded, and now market gradually is coming to the COP. Let's see what will happen around COP. It's around 1996, 1997. So if reversal will happen, well, in this case we will wait for confirmation on the daily. In particular speaking, we would like to get the grabber, as I said, and then we create a new trading plan for possible taking to the downside. If this will not happen and market taking out of the P point, it just means that gold is standing higher. The next destination point will be 1255. It's OP. This will be greater. Gartner's triple to sell. Some phantom chances will exist that market could turn down up from there, but this chance will be much weaker than right from here, because when the market will stand near the previous top, chance on the reversal are, well, it's not significant. So the breakout here is probably would suggest that market really could continue upward action. So that being said, currently we keep an eye on what will happen around the COP. Whether it's indeed our suggestion of the changing of the sentiment could make impact on the price. Whether the market will show reversal here or not, we will see. It's probably today's session. On the hourly chart, guys, well, I did not see something really special. Yes, this minor butterfly has been formed here, but well, it makes no impact on the long-term context because it is very small pattern. So mostly it's interesting what will happen right here. So that's our view on the gold market. Let's keep watching and let's see what will happen today, tomorrow.